The partnership between UTS and Cricket New South Wales is an excellent platform to undertake connected research. We all shared this common vision with which to try to advance the game in a really education-focused way.
The whole premise around the partnership is combining the ideas, opinions, thought bubbles of people in my high performance department, our coaches, our sports science and sports medicine professionals, with the expertise, the track record of research, innovation, investigation of the professionals here at UTS, and it's about crystallising those thoughts with the expertise here to get the best possible outcome. One of the short-term goals of this partnership is to help give Cricket New South Wales a competitive advantage in terms of how we manage and prevent injury, but also more importantly, how we develop our players, particularly our female fast bowlers.
It's so great that Cricket New South Wales have identified that they'd like to invest in the women's game. There's a big women's sport movement at the moment, and I think it's probably about time. And what we understand is that the investment needs to come early, and we need to invest before we see results. We're not just looking to crack the 130 barrier once. We're looking to really improve the game and improve the future of women's cricket. So we're looking to transition that average up so that we have consistently groups of bowlers bowling around the 130 mark.
The Hat Trick project is a collaborative project between UTS and Cricket New South Wales. It's really focused on community engagement and men's health, with a real focus on people who are new to Australia, predominantly from the South Asian region. This idea that people can connect over games of cricket is something that we hold true in the Hat Trick project.
We've had 2 groups of men come through so far. It's been oversubscribed. People have been incredibly enthusiastic, and now our next goal of this is for the people that have been in the program to become champions for this and spread the word and hold similar sorts of programs to the wider community in those areas. We have 7 professional teams that we look after and service in male and female cricket. So for those teams, maximising performance outcomes, improving injury outcomes is central to how those teams do. On top of that though, one of our overriding and main objectives is around doubling the number of 5 to 12-year-olds who are playing cricket by 2026 to get that to a number of 80,000. An important part of trying to achieve that is trying to understand what the journey of players who have just taken up cricket is and what are the factors that lead to them either falling in love with the game, playing the game for several years, or potentially dropping out of the sport. This project here very much aims to look at data, and it did look at data from 2014 through to 2021, looked at over 55,000 different player journeys to examine this phenomenon. We saw a lot of synergies with UTS. We view UTS as a progressive organisation that has people who are prepared to do the right thing and not so much the easy thing. They have an excellent reputation for being amazing partners to industry in a whole range of research and collaborative projects.